Hi, welcome to ESOL Grammar Resources. I'm Chris. Remember to press pause when you need to, and if I'm talking too quickly, you can slow the video down in settings. Let's get started. Today, we'll be talking about things you find in a kitchen. Fridge, fridge, fridge. Cooker, cooker, cooker. Oven, oven, oven. Microwave, microwave, microwave. Kettle, kettle, kettle. Toaster, toaster, toaster. Coffee machine, coffee machine, coffee machine. Blender, blender, blender. Okay, time for a quiz. Blender, blender. Fridge, fridge. Toaster, toaster. Coffee machine, coffee machine. Kettle, kettle. Microwave, microwave. How did you do? Okay, that's all for today. Well done, and see you next time.